Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are well. So, students, today's lecture for class 5, subject English reasoning. Today's topic sequencing and lecture is 1. So, student, first of all, we must know its definition. Okay, like what we have to do in this type of question and what is exactly sequencing. So, student, in this type of questions, some words are given. We have to arrange these words in a meaningful order. Fine. Like in this question, we are given different words, and we have to arrange these words in a meaningful order. Your order must be meaningful. Like it must create a meaning. Fine. The order may be according to age, size, and need, etc. Fine. The order can be given according to age, according to size, and according to like any other condition. Fine. That the questioner is wish to ask us. फाइन. जो भी क्वेश्चनर हमसे पूछना चाहता है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमारे जो ऑर्डर है, हमारे जो वर्ड्स हैं, दैट कैन बी डिफर. फाइन. ओके. नाउ logical sequence of words, as the name implies, is that type of reasoning which consists of words, and we have to find out a sequence which is logical in that context. Okay, in the second definition it is the same, like logical sequence, meaning like you have to arrange that in a meaningful order. The sequence must be logical. Okay, in this type of reasoning, what we have to do, we have to create a logical sequence consisting of words, and we have to find a sequence that is logical in that context. Okay, like it must come out with a meaning. Okay, students. So normally क्या होता है, normally in these questions the words are mentioned in serial numbers. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, and we have to arrange those words in a sequence. Okay, like okay, first word should be this, second this, and third should be this, according to that meaningful sequence, according to that logical sequence. Fine. So students, let's start today's questions. Okay, there are 4 questions which we are going to discuss today. Okay, you have to observe these questions, like how ma'am is solving these, and you have to solve your homework questions according to that. Okay, first question is, student, arrange the following words in a meaningful order. Okay, here some words are given and we have to arrange these words in a meaningful order. First is death, second is marriage, third is education, fourth is birth, and fifth is funeral. Okay, so student, you have to arrange these in a meaningful order. Like if we create a logical meaning, first of all, a man is born, है ना? A man is born, then he takes education, and after that he is married, and after some time he dies. Fine. ऐसे होता है ना, after some time he dies, after that the order is funeral. Fine. So we, according to this logical context, we can arrange these words, like first word should become here is fourth. Okay, the birth, then third, that is education, and second, that is marriage, first death, and at the last fifth. So this will be a meaningful order. Okay, like first of all, man is born, then he takes his education, and then after some time he is married, है ना, he got married, and then after some times he dies, and at the last here it is funeral. So this is a logical sequence. Fine. Now come to second one. Now try first yourself. Okay, here some words are given, like first is grass, curd, milk, cow, butter. I think it is easy, है ना? It is easy for you because you can arrange these words very nicely. Like student, we know that cow eats grass, है ना? Cow eats grass and then gives the milk. Fine. Cow eat grass ना, so first word should be cow, है ना? Then it eats grass, है ना? Then it gives milk, and then curd is made out of that milk, and then from curd we make butter. So the logical sequence will be first, that is cow, grass, milk, curd, and then butter. So your logical sequence will be 4, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 2nd, and curd we have given on number 2. Okay, grass is on 1. So 4th, 1st, 3rd, 2nd, and then butter on 5th. So I think you can find it easy. Okay, you can find it easy. Also depends on the words given, depends on the logical sequence they have asked to you. Some can be easy, some of questions can be easy, and some of you can find it difficult too. So okay, now come to question number 3. Here are some words are given like key, door, lock, room, and then switch on. Okay, so what should be the correct order, bache? First we must have a key. Okay, then lock, है ना? Without key lock is useless. So first word should be key, then lock, then door. Okay, where we have to put the lock कहाँ पर लगाते हैं हम? डोर पर. Okay, door, and then we enter in room, and then we switch on our lights and fan and whatever. Okay, so correct sequence here will be key, then lock, then door, then room, and then switch on. Okay, so this will be a meaningful order and logical too. Here question number 4, students, we have given some words like first is word, paragraph, sentence, letters, and phrase. So what should be the first one? Think. Now it's your turn. Think for some time. Yes. So first word should be what is like letters, है ना? First word in this logical reasoning, logical sequence will be letters. Then by the help of these letter we used to make word, है ना? Word. Then we make group of word, that is phrase, and then with that we make sentence, and after that we used to make paragraph. Okay, so this will be the correct sequence, this will be the meaningful sequence. Okay, so letter is given on number 4. So first like 4, and second word is on first, phrase is on 5th bache, sentence is on 3rd, and paragraph is on 2nd. So your meaningful order will be 4th, 1st, 5th, 3rd, and 2nd. Fine. You have to solve your homework questions according to this. Like you have to make a meaningful order, a logical sequence. Fine. Now students, here are some homework questions, okay, which you have to solve. First question is for you like rain, vaporization, water, condensation, and clouds. So you have to make a logical sequence out of these given words. Second question for you is digestion, cooking, chewing, swallowing, tasting. You have to make a meaningful order, okay, in the same way like we have done in the in our class questions now. Okay, question number 3 is plant, food, seed, leaf and flower. Question number 4 is बच्चे book, pulp, wood, stilt, forest and paper. So you have to solve these homework questions according to, like, you have to make a meaningful order, you have to create a logical sequence. Fine? Okay, so take care, bye bye.